Welcome to SmartWave YouTube channel. In this channel is all about tech, insights, and also publishing. If you want to learn how to publish, you can look for the playlist on Amazon KDP, how to publish on Amazon KDP. So today we'll be talking about how to become a data analyst, the roadmap of becoming a data analyst. So many people want to venture into technology, into tech, but they don't know how to do this. So many people want to become data analysts. So many people want to become data scientists. They don't know how to start, where to start. So, over my years of experience of being a data analyst, these just a tips of helping you to become what you want to become. Now, this video will just guide you through of what you need to learn, the foundational skills, the core tools that you need for you to become a data analyst. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, share to your friends. It will be a helpful tool for beginners and also for professionals. Now, let's dive straight into it. Now, you can see I've prepared a slide for this lesson, a roadmap to becoming a data analyst. Now, your guide to navigating the data world. Why become a data analyst? Why do you want to become a data analyst? That's the first question you ask yourself. Now, the first point, there is a high demand for data-driven decisions in the industry. That's one of the core reasons you want to become a data analyst. Is it lucrative salary and growth potential? Opportunity to solve real world problems using data. We all know what data is. Now, who is a data analyst? Now, a data analyst is someone that collects, processes, analyzes data to generate insights. Now, we have some tools for the trade, tools which data analysts use. We have Excel, SQL, Python, Tableau, Power BI, and a lot of them. You can add R at there also. Now, in my next video, I'll be talking about the key concept of some of these tools, what you need to learn in some of these tools, but not in this video. Now, this is just a roadmap to guide you on what you need to know or what you need to learn as a data analyst, as a beginner, what you need to learn to become a full data analyst. Now, key skills, you need critical thinking, attention to details, communication. When data is given to you, you have to pay attention, you have to study it. We call it having the knowledge, the domain knowledge of that particular thing. Now, the next thing is the path to data analysis mastery. Step one, you have to have the foundational skills. You learn the core tools. You have to know how to use the tools. You practice with real world projects. There are a lot of platforms that you can get some real time data. Now, build a portfolio and network. Now, step one, let's dive into straight step one, foundational skills. First of all, you have to learn statistics. There are so many YouTube channels that you can actually help you on these statistics. Even in this SmartWave, we'll still do a YouTube video on some of these things. Mathematics, critical thinking. Don't worry, it's not based on what you studied in school. These things can be learned on your own. It needs you to, encourage yourself, keep learning. You mustn't be a mathematician for you to dive into data analysis. No, these things are the things that when you put your mind, you can actually learn them. Now, understanding data types, data cleaning, and data life cycle. Now, you have to understand the data types, data cleaning, and data life cycle. Online resources, you can go to Coursera, Khan Academy, and other YouTube resources. Now, step two, learn code tools. Now, these are some of the tools you need to know as a data analyst. Python, R, database, which is SQL for where we have different database tools. We have the SQL server, we have MySQL, we have Postgres. It doesn't really matter. Personally, I make use of SQL server. I make use of Microsoft a lot. Now, programming, you have Python and R. This Python and R as a data analyst, you just need to know them, but not in total, there are some aspects of these tools that you really need to know, which will not be covered in this video. In my next video, I will talk about them. Now, visualization tools, these tools are used to build your dashboards and other things. You can use them to do also analysis. You have the Tableau and you have the Power BI, you know. Then spreadsheets, which is Excel for quick data analysis. And you know that spreadsheet, Excel also can be used to build dashboard, but you know that Excel cannot contain, there are some limitations to Excel. That's why I have some of these visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, and others. And all these tools, as a data analyst, there are some aspects that actually the core things that you need to know in them. Not everything that is important for us, for data analysts. Now, in my next video, I'll be discussing that, but this is just the roadmap. Have it at the back of your head. That as a data analyst, these are the things that you're supposed to know. Now, step 3, practice with real world projects. Use public data sets. These are some of the places you can find real world data sets. We have the Cargo, we have the UCI, machine learning repositories. Participate in data challenges. Some of these platforms also they give how will I even put it? They give data challenges for you to participate in. They bring in real data for you to participate in some of these challenges, and you can win some cash too by participating. Create dashboard and reports for mock businesses and all that. So these are the things that you need to know to start up as a data analyst. It's just now about learning. You learn this, you learn this. You need to actually have a roadmap of what you are diving into. This will actually will help you not to be confused in some aspects. Now, step 4, build a portfolio and network. Now, this portfolio helps you to showcase your work. You are not just a data analyst, without showing what you have been doing over time. How do you get a job without showing your work? So you have to build your portfolio. You can host some of your projects on GitHub website, share insights on LinkedIn, on Medium, join data analytic communities and forums. So these places are some of the places that you can build your portfolios. Now this your learning toolkit. Now free platforms, you have the Cargo, actually you have the data camp, you have W3 School, there are a lot of them. You can get your paid courses on Udemy, Coursera, ADX, books and data analytics for beginner, Python for data analysis. Now, some of these Indomie and Coursera courses, there are these websites that I discovered that you can actually download a full course on data analytics that are owned by Indomie, Coursera, ADX without paying a dime. Only thing is that if that course requires a certificate, you will not have a certificate. So in this our YouTube channel, we'll be unveiling some of these things to help the upcoming data analysts, the data analysts. Now, what you do for me, please subscribe on this YouTube channel. We'll be bringing more things. In my next video, I'll be showing you details on the part of the tools that you need to know as a data analyst, on the things that you need to know as a data analyst. You don't just need start learning. When we ventured into this tech, the problem we had that we didn't have any guideline. We are just learning randomly. So, but this YouTube channel will guide you through analysis, will help you, will build project portfolios together. I will show you how to create a portfolio website. We'll show you how to build some of your project portfolios, how to write your CV, and a lot. This is just the beginning of becoming a data analyst, and I believe that this slide will help you to start up your career. Now, stay inspired. One of the things that people don't actually, one of the things that's in tech world, you have to stay inspired. That's just the truth. You have to stay inspired. Whenever you get weary, that time that you don't feel like doing anything, that's the best time to learn. Stand up, dust yourself, even when you are not understanding anything. Try to walk through everything. Try to learn new things every day. Try to learn new things every day. That's what makes you a very good data analyst or tech in general, a very good tech person. in general. You keep learning every day. You can't just say, I've learned everything. No, you keep learning, you keep learning, you keep building dashboard, you keep analyzing data, you keep doing a lot of things that will help you out. Questions or comments? If you have any question, you can drop it, at the comment section of this YouTube video. And all, I have a comment, please share, subscribe, and also, this our thing. You can share this video to your friends. You can actually tell them to subscribe and recommend the YouTube video. This is the best place for you to be at this particular moment. Now, thank you for your attention. Feel free to reach out for further informations, and all that. Ask your questions and all that. In my next video, I'll be showing you as a data analyst the core tools. What in those tools that we mentioned initially, Python, the particular thing you need to learn, SQL, the particular things you need to learn, Tableau, the particular things you need to know. Well, Tableau is actually a very good platform for visualization, and so Power BI. The very good things that you need to know about these things. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, subscribe, and share to your friends. This will go a long way to help me to build some dashboard, do some data analysis. I know that some people are watching and also encouraging us to do some of these things. Thank you, and God bless. Bye.